How much noise light do you prefer when sleeping? I prefer near pitch black.
I need a little bit of white noise, like we have a little AC window unit that's going.
I'm not very picky. Yeah, honestly, it doesn't really matter to me.
Well, I'm
I
jealous.
often pass out with the light on, which also sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night to turn the light off.
No light, but I can't go to sleep without like a podcast or something on. Otherwise, I'll just lie in bed and my brain will work overtime on all the things I could have done differently that day.
Same.
So for some, it sounds like light could work, but what seems to work for most people is having it dark in the room.
When it comes to, how light or dark your room is, that's really just personal preference. But if you're having trouble sleeping, darkness is something that's worth trying. Same for sound. A lot of people like a white noise machine and some people don't. So really it's worth trying both if you're having trouble sleeping.
Just make sure it's something that is calming and helps block out maybe some of those other noises that can be distracting to you.
And I highly recommend sleep headphones if you're like me and you have a partner that wants one thing and you want something else. There are a lot of different tools you can use out there that'll keep you both happy.